Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can check the current battery health of your iPhone or iPad. Over time, the battery life of a mobile device will slowly become less and less. This is an unfortunate reality. And with iOS devices, most times it's easier just to replace the device rather than the battery itself. If you're noticing quicker drain on an older iPhone, this is where you can go to check the current health and get tips on how you can save a bit of the battery. To get started, open the Settings app. In here, scroll down and tap Battery. Here is where all of your battery info can be found. Starting at the top, if you want to save some battery usage right away, you can toggle on low power mode. This will reduce background activity until you're able to fully charge your phone. Down below, you'll see the battery level throughout the day, your activity, and then battery usage by app. This is where you can go through and see what apps are using most of your battery and maybe where to cut back. You may also get battery saving recommendations on this screen as well. Finally, tap Battery Health. In here, you'll see the maximum capacity of your iOS device's battery. This is a fairly newer iPhone, so it looks like my battery is still pretty good. At the bottom of this page, you can toggle on or off optimized battery charging. This will allow your iPhone to regulate the charging of your battery, helping to extend its overall life. By keeping an eye on the settings in this menu, especially when you start to notice shorter battery life, you can hopefully get an idea of what's causing more of the drain and turn on low power mode and optimize battery charging in order to get a little bit more usage. And that's how you check the current battery health of your iOS device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.